All right, everyone. Welcome to today's charting session, no? Friday na naman, tapos na naman ang isang linggo. Ang bilis talaga ng oras. So I hope that you guys had a nice and profitable week. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we take a look at yung mga trending names, and you usually find those on the right-hand side of your screen sa Instagrams. Assuming, of course, that you use Instagrams as your charting platform or charting provider. We also do chart requests. At kung meron po kayong chart requests, be sure to let me know in the comment section below as I do get to them, albeit minsan natatagalan lang ng konti kasi may nakahain pa, may nakapila, no? So, today we'll be discussing a mixture of trending names and mga chart requests. Okay? Starting with MAC. So, yung MAC, a couple of days ago, we broke out from yung 5.6 level and this trend line. Okay, itong purple na trend line. So if you remember the previous time we look at MAC, the trend line was already there. Sabi ko nga nung we were looking for a possible break above itong 5.6. Tapos itong candle na to, yung sumunod, parang nag-pause lang sandali, and then right now we're pushing towards the next resistance level at 6.3. If kaya nating basagin yung 6.3, then that opens up this range above here to possibly target 7.10, assuming mabasag natin to ng malinis. Okay? But another scenario that could happen from here is baka mag-consolidate muna tayo dito sa range na to, something like this. How tight or wide it will be, mahirap pang i-predict eh. It depends, no? Kasi na-jump pa yung momentum eh. It's still pushing. So, how wide or tight that range will be, we'll have to wait and see. Pero sa akin, okay lang kahit na mag-pullback siya hanggang dito sa 5.6. That's still okay. Ang ayaw kong makita or ang bearish sign for me sa MAC, if price comes all the way down, takes out this swing low here, or maybe this swing low there, breaks lower, holds beneath it, tapos starts pushing lower from there. Yun yung ayaw nating makita. Kasi kapag ganon, ang nangyari is not only was the momentum undone, ang dami pa nating levels na kinain pabalik. 'Di ba? So syempre pag ganon, it's not gonna look as bullish or as nice na, no? So hopefully, kung ganon man yung situation, ay matrigger yung mga trail stops nyo with profits pa rin. 'Di ba? Syempre, hindi naman natin gusto mangyari yon, but ang gusto natin prepared tayo for any and all scenarios. Possible din na, as I said kanina, we just break out. Baka nga hindi na magpahinga, tumuloy. In those situations, I always recommend wag mafo-FOMO. Wag ipilit yung trade. 'Di ba? Wait for your setups, wait for your desired entries, then take them. If you miss this trade, okay lang. There's always the next one. 'Di ba? Kaysa na ipipilit natin, tapos may ipit tayo na sa mataas, tapos hindi natin siya malalagyan ng proper stop. Okay, same thing here. Entering right where we are, medyo nasa alanganin, no, yung position. Kasi ang layo ng stop mo eh. Stop will have to go here. Kasi sabihin natin you wanted to stop out beneath 5.62. Diba? Pagpalagay natin. You'll be stopping out into this area of previous consolidation, which is never the best place to stop out because price could head there, then push higher. Hindi natin alam. So, kunyari nalagay mo dito swing low, obviously the risk reward won't be as nice na. Okay, so wag po nating ipilit. Let's be patient. Wait for our setups. Wait for our desired entries. Then if mangyari yung gusto natin, we execute. Next, let's take a look at CEB. So CEB, we were saying na nag-consolidate tayo sa area na to. We push higher. We hit tong resistance level na to at 46.3 and doon tayo more or less nagko-consolidate ngayon. What price does from here, we'll have to wait and see. Ideally, mabibreak tong 46.3 and maybe we consolidate here for a while and then break out to 48 to open up this wider range hanggang possibly 51.5 or into this white zone above here. So yun yung bullish scenario. Possible din na mag-consume muna tayo here instead of dito sa taas, then break higher, then possibly consume more, then we'll see. Ang ayaw natin makita from here is for price to come back down, take out 42.7. Kasi pag ganon, baka bumalik lang tayo sa previous range na to, coming back to retest tong white zone sa baba. So yun yung kailangan natin pangingatan at ayaw nating makita. Okay? Tumataas na ngayon to, no, mga MAC, CEB, kasi nga medyo nagiging mas lax na rin yung mga restrictions. Okay, so if meron kayo, whether MAC or CEB, kung nakakuha kayo sa baba, congratulations guys. As always, I'm always happy for you kapag kumikita kayo. Syempre gusto naman talaga natin lahat kumikita, 'di ba? Ayoko naman naririnig na naiipit kayo or na dehado kayo or anything like that. Moving on, let's take a look at Monde. So Monde, nothing has really changed. Ang sabi natin noon is we wanted to see it break above tong area na to, 17.5, para lang ma-break natin tong mga level of resistances na nag-form dito. So etong area na to, yung 17.16, yan yung mga previous highs from here, previous resistance. Ito namang 17.5 is previous support, no? So I want to see price clear this area before deciding kung ano nga ba talaga ang dapat kong gawin. Kasi right now, yes, pwede natin sabihin, price came back, touch support, tapos push higher, tapos ngayon nauuntog tayo dito. That's true, no? Pero we don't know what price is gonna do. It's in chop, it's in range. Yes, pwede siya tumaas, pero pwede rin siya bumaksak from here, forming a new low. Tapos yun nga, magbubuo tayo ng mga lower highs, lower lows natin. And syempre, ayaw naman natin na malagay tayo sa sitwasyon na tayo yung nasa back foot, di ba? So again, what we want to see from here, if we're bullish, is to break above tong 17.5 na area. Then from there, obserbahan natin kung ano mangyayari. What we don't want to see is her price to break down, take out tong 15 pesos na area, more or less. 15.08 yung low. 15 na lang, lagyan natin 15. Take out 15. Kasi mangyayari malamang nun is price comes back to within this trading range. And if 14.4 breaks, then we likely come back and delve deeper, possibly coming dito sa 13.5 ulit na area where we opened the IPO to begin with. Okay, so yun lang yung kailangan natin pangingatan dito sa Monde. So guys, dumating na naman po tayo sa punto ng video natin where maikiusap ako na if you like this video, if you find it helpful, you find it educational, or you find it even mildly entertaining, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's one of the few ways din kasi for me to gauge kung talaga nga bang natutulungan kayo ng mga pinoproduce natin na content. Kasi syempre, I love to teach, but ang goal pa rin talaga is matulungan ko kayo sa mga tinuturo ko. So, let me know by giving this video a like, subscribing, and maybe commenting down below. Okay? Moving on, let's take a look at ABA. So ABA, I mentioned before na it's good na, di ba, ito yung previous range niya. Okay? Ito yung wider range. Ito yung tighter range. We tried to break up here, pero na-stuck pa rin tayo sa wider range niya, di ba? Price came back. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. If price comes back to an area of consolidation, pero mag-i-stop ka right beneath this support here, tapos ma-stop out ka, parang nakakapikon, di ba? Mag-i-stop out ka do sa area of consolidation only to see price turn from there. That's why I don't like using mga arbitrary stops. Kailangan technical stop. Okay, so from here, nag-hold tong area na to. We push higher and came back to within this range. So 1.10 to 1.19 na range. And we're still stuck there now. So same pa rin as before. I really want to see it break above 1.19 to 1.2 to possibly target 1.32 next up to 1.35, no? Then if we can break higher from there, then it opens up these highs here. And if we can break above those pa rin, then that high over there. But, warning ulit na huwag tayo titingin agad dito na nandun yung focus natin. Diba? Let's not miss out do sa mga areas where price can find resistance along the way para yung pagpa-plan out natin, yung pagsisenaryo planning natin, nasa tama. Hindi yung, ito kasi yung gusto kong target tapos anything else in between is not okay. Okay? Kailangan natin tignan in a more objective manner, and objectively, there are resistance levels here as we drew out. So yun lang, but overall, this is still more or less ranging na bullish. It's good na it's pushing higher, no? If you're looking na it's trending higher. So I really wanted to break above 1.19 to 1.20 soon para magpatuloy yung bullishness. What we don't want to see naman sa ABA is for price to come back down, hold beneath 1.10, come back, tag 97, kasi baka mangyari nun, ito na naman yung maging range, bumalik lang tayo sa wider range na to, stuck na naman. Okay, so yun yung ayaw natin makita. Gusto natin, ngayon na bumibuelo ka, Ngayon na nag-iipon ka ng momentum here, sana to the upside na yung next na tulak natin rather than parang ganito, up, tapos bumalik lang, tapos kaganyan. Baka ganun na naman. So yun lang yung pinangiingatan natin. Okay? At syempre, yung pinakaayaw natin is your price to just drop, break itong 89 kasi if 89 breaks, malalim na eh. May gap pa tayo na unfilled dito, next to support level. So, mas malalayo na yung mga tinitingnan natin and baka tuluyan na tong bumaksak, no? Kasi ang tagal na ng consolidation na to eh. So, dapat from here, with the momentum to the upside, with the consolidation, hopefully, it should start pushing higher. Okay? And then finally, let's take a look at AP. So, AP, if you've been watching yung mga videos natin, I said I wanted it to start trading above 32.5 na area, di ba? And in this candle, it did so. Tapos, we've been holding above it. Today, actually, it really tested it. Bumaba tayo 32.55, nag-hold, push back higher. So, from here, what we want to see, as previously stated, is mag-hold na tayo above tong 32.5 hanggat kaya. Okay? Hanggat kaya. And then, from there, hopefully, we start pushing towards these highs here, tong 35.10, or yung next level of resistance at 35.9. If 35.9 breaks, so yung 35.9, ito yun, no? May minor area of inflection dito, flip zone. So, support before, resistance here, diba? Support, resistance, support, no? So, it's a decent area. If we can break above 35.9, then yung next possible na tinitignan natin, sa weekly level at least, will be around 38 pesos. Kung mabasag natin siya. Okay? So, that's one of the things I'm looking for. I wanted to challenge na from here, break this, tag this. Pag natag yung 35.9, mag-pullback konti, it's not the end of the world. Syempre, ideally, sa mga bulls, gusto natin lagi tuloy-tuloy lang, no? But, as I keep mentioning, mas maganda pa rin yung mga healthier na itsura na moves rather than yung mga quick moves lang kasi very often, parang ganito, quick move lang, very often naakain. So, mas gusto ko healthier na move para maganda. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Now, what we don't want to see naman from here is for price to break back below 32.5, take out tong mga lows na to. So, take out mga 31.5 na area, test it from underneath, come back. Kasi once na nangyari yon, etong 30.35, actually, medyo dehado na nga tong level na to eh. Let's delete it, no? So, ang next nun, kapag nangyari yun, mabasag tong mga lows na to, then what we're looking at is possibly price coming back within this range here, itong previous area of consolidation, or tagging yung 28.75 na support that was formed in this area. Kung mabasag ang 28.75, then we come back to this previous range here. That's 26.85 to 28.75 more or less, no? At baka dun muna tayo mag-trade. Kapag ka nangyari yon, then medyo it's not looking as good na for AP. Parang medyo nasira na yung momentum. Diba? Sayang kasi it's broken out from like a multi-year downtrend. Kung isipin nyo, we've been downtrend tagal eh, di ba? A multi-year downtrend. Tapos we finally broke out. So we want to see it push higher from here. We want to see it do better. We want to see it na hindi na siya maging meme. Sa trading, medyo minsan nagiging meme yung mga AP kasi AP, AEV, kasi dito mataas, di ba? So we wanted to stop being a meme. We wanted to start pushing higher from here. Maganda yung funda, maganda lahat. But kung hindi sumusunod yung price, wala naman tayong magagawa, di ba? Hindi naman natin siya mapipilit. Even if I hold my breath until I turn blue, insisting na, kasi funda nito dapat ganyan eh. Hindi naman susunod yan eh. Di ba? Hindi ko naman maipipilit ang gusto ko. Si market pa rin na susunod. So that's what we want to watch out for with AP. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope you enjoyed today's daily charting session. And as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!